Welcome back to Deadlight. This one, actually, there was an issue, so it's going to be recorded out of order. But it's still hard enough that I'll probably make mistakes. So we'll see. Things will just be a little easier than they should be. So I already know I gotta do the pipe in the water. I don't know if I remember everything, though. Yeah. Oh. In case that makes a difference if he looks at it.
These drawings are different from the previous ones. They describe the bombings that affected the city at the beginning of the epidemic.
Let's see, can I just pop that, right? No, I gotta hit the rope. No, I forgot how to do this. Oh, aha. See, even I don't remember. Direct. And this one is pretty wicked. Oh wait, no, that's the easy one.
Look like they've been designed to protect against the dead.
There's a crazier one of those later on. Oh. I can just go down. And we can hit our guy.
When the epidemic spread to Seattle, the people made a stand.
Oh,
tried
I
to
missed
fight.
it.
Many died. Some turned to consume the few that didn't. Then the military tried to fight back in the shadows. Look around and
Take
see
that.
how that went.
Alright. Oh, there is an extra thing in there. It's not important, but... Oh, but it's, I already picked it up. So, we'll just have to get on back. Do the same thing again. It's just another note page, I think. In case you're curious. Right. Okay, just head on up. And here.
And what about these soldiers? The new law?
I told you, when times change, men must change. We all make choices, Mr. Wayne. In chaos, some choose to
Is this the
show
crazy
the best
one?
sides of themselves. Others,
Yep. See how it like it
must hurry.
dash under it?
I worry for the safety of my son. And the ones you care for, too.
Oh, this part's pretty hard. And I know how to do it too. So gotta get this crate kind of in a certain spot. Roughly there. And then we have to like do a sprint jump and time it right so we don't fall in the water. If it's too far, I won't make it. If it's too short, it'll cause problems. Alright, there. Good. And a simple little sprint across. Oh, is that goodies?
Innocent people who tried to look for a safe place during the Great War against the shadows. They were crushed to death by a landslide caused by bombing.
We'll do that. This just tips a little bit, but does not break, which is lovely. Because, like, does the Rat Man fix his place every time someone comes in? It seems like the shit's constantly breaking. Alright. Cool. Alright, so I'll clear that up.
I can't go on. Follow this path going up to the old subway station. When you get to the end,
I can activate the
find
platform.
my son, and I'll help you find the ones you care for.
Yeah. So I could get that platform going. Oh! Almost didn't make it. Alright, so I have to do this crazy sprint and then, like, use my thumb to hit the... So in the keyboard, this is kind of hard to do these dives. Worked. Didn't need to do the roll. It's like, where's he gonna get that new subway car? Every time. Someone comes rolling through here. On this.
Like the rat said, we all make choices. He chose to build a nest down here in the aftermath of the war.
This is a two-part process.
Some might call it survival. Others, denial.
I think you see what's going to happen here. Just leading them like that. Now they're all trapped in a pit. Once they get over here, just jump over, and everything's free and clear. Oh. And we're going up. This
house that grows in the tree
is the section
Those were the
that
rat's words.
Almost missed. It's very exciting stuff too. It's like finding the kid. Oh.
It seems I'm not alone.
Just gotta do a little climber. These always break. Yep. Can't catch me. Oh.
Hell?
There we go. And then for some reason you can jump on here, which is different. Oh, boom.
God will forgive them. Or not.
There's nothing special down there, so let's just keep my health. Up there. Over the white picket fence. Up in through there. Just dive out. Alright, just, whoa. Not today, buddy. And we can't charge through it. We have to do the old kick-a-rooney. Oh, it's okay. We don't need the medical. Just drop. Just charge through. Oh, didn't work out for me. This one, I never quite figured this out. I guess that works. Because they kind of go after it for a second, but don't give you enough time to actually let them all get over there.
The house that grows in the tree. Damn. The kid should have been here. Where the hell could he be?
He kind of interrupts himself. So we have pictures.
This must be the rat's wife. I get it now. The boy comes here to remember his mother.
Uh-oh. Memories.
Shannon. Lydia.
Boom.
It looks like a shootout. I better find the boy quick.
Mm-hmm. Then there's no way out. So we just gotta get into the truck.
Idiot! Yeah, you! You've gotten yourself into a real mess.
It would
I sure
seem
have.
like it.
You gotta stay inside all day. My car?
Who are you?
That's not important right now. Maybe you can reach the fire escape from the roof of your car. You don't really have a choice. Understand? I'll wait for you on the roof. Get out of there, idiot!
Let's do this. Made the jump. Oh, I got a helicopter. Oh, my friend.
Where
Thanks,
did you
buddy
just
boy.
come from? Are you crazy, man?
Your father's worried about you.
I shouldn't have used the radio. I'm sure they heard us.
Who?
We have to get out of here. Run!
That's why.
Let's get out of here before we're caught by the big bird!
What the hell? We're alive, you idiots! Alive! We spotted the boy. In pursuit.
All right.
Your father wants you to come back home.
And hide? Like he does? I hate rat meat. No one can survive eating rat meat. I wanted to look for some food, but they surprised me because...
Because you let your emotions take over and went to visit your mother. Isn't that right?
My mother? My mother is... No. No. How do you know?
I know
Shit!
all.
Here they come again! Run! Run as fast as you can and don't look back!
Run. All right. Oh, got me. What's in there?
Run! You don't want to die!
Nope. Oh, actually. I don't think there's any specific timer on that, but best not to find out. Uh-oh. All right. Oh. Not when he's out there.
If they spot me with that light, I'm screwed.
That zombie can take the hits. Oh, actually, I do have 1 health damage somehow. Okay, it's okay. Oh. That's weird.
Am I going too fast for you?
Yeah, you gotta slow down, kid.
Run, Red.
Here we go. All right. Jump.
Jump.
There we go. Of course, they'll let me live. That's exactly the kind of people they are. Flip around.
Damn. I've got to find that kid. He has no hope out here on his own.
And through the glass. The roll. One continuous motion. Up that ladder. Looking good. Oh, got away.
We've lost our targets.
Where are you, kid?
And a fire axe. And that's the helicopter chase. I think this is roughly where we left off, so hopefully things will line up. Oh, shit. Double kick. Ah, come on. What the fuck? Oh, they did start shooting.
Where are you, kid?
I'm trying to close this. So they're shooting up the whole room.
Where are you, kid?
Alright. Oh, I can close it from that side only. Will they jump over me? Alright, they can't use stairs. Get healed up. Ah, what do you do here? All right.
Kid.
Works, I guess. All right. Oh, into the trash can.
We don't have enough fuel. Better return to base.
Just random person hunting.
Are you hurt? Why the hell did you run off?
I'm fine. I know my way around.
They're trying to kill you, kid. Think about that for a second. Let me help you get home. What's the fastest way underground from here?
There's a sewer portal on the other side of the park.
So let's
Gotta
go.
get through the park.
Run for it.
I'll run for it in a minute. Whoop. Hot dogs. Just take it. Oh, out of stamina. Alright, got my stamina back. And a flashback.
Lydia? My sweet Lydia?
Wrapped in bloodstained paper, a half-heart pendant to my daughter. Follow the path you showed me. Oh. Another diary note. Just need some ammo.
Where have you been? Help me!
Shit.
Dun, dun, dun.
What the hell's the matter with you? Why didn't you shoot?
I have
They
no gun.
almost killed me, dude.
My daughter. I'm sorry, I saw her.
There was no one there. Only the shadows behind you.
Let's go. Through here.
There's the rat man.
The rat knows that you won't get out of here again, boy. I'll punish you. You'll learn to behave yourself. I discovered where your friends are. They were taking them to the stadium just a while ago.
To the stadium?
In the beginning, it was the safest place in all of Seattle. Even more so than the Space Needle. A fortress of high cement walls protected by the military. But today, they've made it into one more horrific ring of hell.
And what about my wife and daughter? What about them?
I looked and listened hard. I couldn't find any trace of them. If they have been captured by these men also, your friends may know.
I need to go now. I've lost too much time already.
Be careful, Mr. Wayne. Those men are dangerous.
Very dangerous. Okay. Drippity drop.
According to what the rat told me, if I cross the parking lot, I'll come to the stadium that was used as a safe place for survivors.
Yeah, he's done. Yeah, how the hell? There's no button or kill object. There's nothing to grab onto.
According to what the rat told me, if I cross the parking lot, I'll come to the stadium that was used as a safe place for survivors.
What the hell am I supposed to do here? Ugh. Alright, I think I did kill that one. Maybe. Alright. Not what I wanted to do. Forget special. That's not what I wanted. How do I switch to it? I don't have a fucking clue. This is a very poorly designed section. Hear that, level designer?
According to what the rat told me, if I cross the parking lot, I'll come to the stadium that was used as a safe place for survivors.
Okay. So if I do a hard one while they're on the ground, that will take them out. Ah. Okay. Alright, press. Okay. Alright. Seems legit. I tried wheeling up before, but it didn't work. Okay, gotta use this. Oh, I could have sealed myself in. Easy. It looks like I'm going down. Nice. Oy! Oh, come on. Alright, that works for me. How do I do with that? Alright, I just gotta do something to activate it. This, a key. Tape of stories. Seem very useful. Okay, that works. Alright. Top of there.
Those men from the new law use the message to draw in the innocent souls.
Oh, nice. Do it auto. I like that. Get on up.
There must be another way.
Oh, too late. I'm trapped. I have to get up on there somehow.
There must be another way.
Go up. Nope. See, I don't think I'm supposed to jump through that window. I think I'm just supposed to hold on to it. Like that. Yeah, that's what I was trying to do. Now just head on up. So how long until the wire
There are
breaks?
shadows everywhere. Thousands of them. Taking refuge in the stadium, we would never have stayed safe for long.
That's fine.
This was the Emerald City once. Not anymore.
Alright, let's get my route. Oh, come on. Finish him. Okay. That works. All right. Just don't get grabbed by the claw. Oh, into that stadium.
Come on, leave him alone. We'll take care of him soon enough. He's just a poor old man.
That jackass says the real military will save him. Who does he think we are? Well, that poor old man hit me. This isn't the end of this. You hear me?
Okay, so that happens somewhere there. Hot dog, censored hot dog. Hockey rink.
He's alive.
What the hell? There's no time to lose. They've already loaded the supplies onto the helicopter. We still need to make stop at the safe point before returning to base. Let's go.
Now we'll see who has the last laugh, old man.
Okay, so I got some time. I thought it was gonna be a
Gotta
risk.
get to Ben. Those new law bastards are torturing Ben and feeding him to those damn shadows. I could hurry.
You.
On
You
days
alive?
like today, even a guy like me could believe in God.
Shotgun. That'll help. Oh. Okay. Only have one bullet left though. It's no good. Go. Come on. All right.
It looks like the building was a refuge when the disease first spread. And now those crazies use it to store the
Shit.
supplies they steal.
Get out of here. I don't see a way or thing I can jump to. Oh, I'm out. There's no point. Like, where do I jump? I don't even... I see there's a pipe maybe up there. No? Doesn't even look like I can jump to that. Oh, I can block it off. Well, fuck.
It looks like the building was a refuge when the disease first spread. And now those crazies use it to store the supplies they steal.
Can I, like, do some weird thing? Knock that lid off? No. Oh, go on top of here? Oh, stop it. Okay, so you can climb on that. Alright, let's get through. Now's not the time, man. Hey! I don't need medical. This is just fine. Nope.
They're the
Supplies.
food supplies that I was keeping in the shelter, and that the soldiers of the city defended with their lives. Now these ran, old friend, I found you.
Gotcha.
Ben, you old fox, wake up.
What happened?
They knocked you out cold.
No, they didn't.
I think I gave
You were
as
on the
good as
thing.
I got.
I told
Clearly
you I'd
awake.
meet back up with you, didn't I?
They took Stella, Randy. They're crazy. They're rebuilding by force. They're killing anybody that doesn't fall in line.
What about my family? Have you seen them?
I haven't seen anybody. They strung me up when I wouldn't go along. They took Stella somewhere else. Some kind of home base. If they've got your family, that's where they'll be.
What about the safe point?
It's all a lie, Randy. There ain't no safe point. They're just using it to round people up and take them somewhere else.
Then we have to get out of here. We have to find them. Let's go, buddy.
I don't have the strength.
You have a pretty deep cut, and you've lost a lot of blood.
Somewhere safe.
Look, Randy, a Christmas present.
You won't be able to fly in this condition. We need to stop the bleeding. You'll have to wait for me here. I need to look for something to fix up those wounds.
Today is my lucky day.
What are you talking about?
Even someone like me would believe in God on a day like today. Look behind you.
What is it? A hospital.
Sit tight, Ben. I'm gonna get you some help. I'll be back as quick as I can.
Alright, so we'll get back to that in the next episode, so catch y'all then.